Okay, writers, let's talk about topic sentences. So, the topic sentence of a paragraph is going to tell what the paragraph is going to be about. Ooh, it takes a long time to write that. Will be about. So that's why it's called a topic sentence, because it talks about the topic of the paragraph. So let's suppose I was writing about my favorite food. Let's just suppose. My topic sentence may go something like this. I love lots of food. But I'm going to tell you about my all-time favorite food. So that's my topic sentence. So notice it's a little bit catchy, but it clearly lets the reader know that we'll be talking about the all-time favorite food. So the topic sentence really is designed to inform the reader. That's why we do it, to inform the reader. So the reader knows exactly what's coming up in the rest of the paragraph. So every paragraph, we want it to have a topic sentence. So let's suppose I'm writing about, I'm going to change into a pen, I think. Let's suppose I'm writing about my favorite school subjects. Okay? So for this, I want to talk about 3 different subjects. So paragraph 1, I think I'm going to talk about reading. And then for my next paragraph, so for paragraph 2, I'm going to talk about math. And then paragraph 3, I'm going to talk about art, because those are my 3 favorite subjects. Well, for paragraph 1, I'm going to need a topic sentence. So for paragraph 2, I'm going to need a topic sentence. And for paragraph 3, I'm going to need a topic sentence. So think about this, writers. My topic sentence for paragraph 1 is going to be about reading. My topic sentence for paragraph 2 is going to be about math. And my topic sentence for paragraph 3 is going to be about art. So it may go something like this. One subject, and I'm going to write in cursive just to go faster. I really love is reading. Now let's pretend this is paragraph 1. This topic sentence lets the reader know that everything that follows is going to be about why I love reading so much, because my topic sentence tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. Now let's do a pretend paragraph 2. So this paragraph 2, was going to be about math. So I need a new topic sentence. I'm changing the topic, so I'm going to a new paragraph, and now I need a new topic sentence. Okay, so I might start something like reading, stay with me, is fun. But I also really love math. So I added this bit about reading being fun because I wanted to wrap up the paragraph, the previous paragraph, and transition into my next paragraph. So I put reading is fun, but I also really love math. Now, the reader knows that everything to follow is going to be about why I love math. So if I was moving on to a third paragraph, paragraph 3, and I'm going to talk about art. Now remember, I've already talked about reading, and I've already talked about math. So now I want to say something like, my favorite non-academic subject. Ooh, that B looks terrible. Is art. Okay. So now my reader knows that everything that's in this paragraph is going to be all about art. So that is how I use topic sentences. A topic sentence tells sentence tells what the paragraph will be about. So, as you work towards writing paragraph writing, I want you to remember that each paragraph begins with a topic sentence.